Are you ready for the bird challenge? This one is tricky. Look carefully. The different one is right here. Can you spot the different duck? Perfect, it was right there. This looks easy. Find the different chicken. Can you find the odd peacock? Only sharp eyes can solve this. Aha! He was right there. Look carefully. One black bird is different. Here's the answer. Find the odd parrot before time runs out. Aha! There it is. Spot the odd bird now. Did you find it? Look closely. Find the odd flamingo. Perfect, it was right there. One owl is hiding. Can you find it? Aha! There it is. Do you see any odd butterfly? Here it is. By the way, are you enjoying the challenges? Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you do. Which penguin doesn't belong? There it is! One turkey is different. Don't miss it. The different one is right here. Spot the odd bird now. You got sharp eyes. It's right here. Which eagle stands out? There it is! Only sharp eyes can solve this. You got sharp eyes. It's right here. One rooster is different. Can you spot it? Here's the answer. This one is tricky. Look carefully. Aha! He was right there. Spot the odd bird now. Aha! There it is. Only sharp eyes can solve this. Yup, he was the odd fellow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.